can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Hey you guys, what is up? Yo, I'm tired. It is, what day is it today? It is Tuesday. It's the 22nd of December and I am about to get ready to go to work, but I wanted to show some stuff to you guys first, and I'm waiting for my helper to come because she comes usually once a week, and she's coming today, so I'm waiting on her. Then I'm gonna get ready to go to work. But actually what I wanted to say is today's vlog is about me. Well, what I'm going to be showing you guys in today's vlog is me getting my guest room ready, because we actually have someone coming to stay over with us for Christmas, which I'm excited about because I'm so like, I miss friends from home. I think we had 2 guests over twice since we moved here. And then COVID happened, so it's literally been us. So I'm very excited to have someone else in the house, and this is a very good friend of mine that I've known for a number of years now. It's like family basically at this stage, so I'm pretty excited. And so yesterday I picked up, when I was coming from work, I picked up a few things to use in the guest room. I already do have quite a few things already here, because you guys know we tend to buy our things in bulk, so I can just use a lot of that. But I did pick up a few extra things. So I got these tissues. These are just like pocket tissues. But I did, because the thing is we do have the box in the room, but I wanted to get these just in case he wants to carry tissues. And also for us, because we'll need these too as well. I also got some sanitizing wipes. You know, I mean, I feel like the place is clean, but I mean, I would also want to be in a position where, like, if someone provides me with the option basically. So that's why I got those. I got an extra razor just in case he needs one, but we have razors at home. I don't know why I got this though. What else did I get? Oh, and I got some chocolates. Again, we have chocolates, but these ones just looked so cute, I had to get them. And then the rest of the stuff that I got is for us when we're traveling, because we're supposed to be traveling next week sometime, and so I picked up a few things. I love that a lot of the shops here have like travel size everything. So I did pick up a few things. I did get this travel kit where you can sort of like squeeze in all the stuff, like, so probably like maybe some lotion and all of that stuff. That way you don't have to carry the whole thing. I also got us like some medications, because guys, when I travel, I don't know what it is, but when I travel I'm so susceptible to like bloating and stuff like that. Like my body gets very irritated a lot. So I got this for like indigestion, upset stomach and heartburn. And then I also got this for like bloating and diarrhea. And then I got the usual Pepto-Bismol. I got 2 different, because I guess this and these technically do the same thing, but Yom isn't the biggest fan of the Pepto-Bismol, so that's why I got different options. But while I was in the store, I also actually found something that I'm quite excited about. It's this Dr. Teal's sleep bath with melatonin and essential oils. So basically, you guys, I took a bath the other day and I actually quite enjoyed it. So I want to do it again. And this foam bath is with Dr. Teal's, and Dr. Teal's here is the brand of Epsom salts, I think, that you soak in when your muscles are sore. I can't remember what it's called, but they have those salts, Epsom salt, I think that's what what they're called, but I have a pack in my bathroom. You like put them in your bathtub and you can soak your muscles like after gym, or if you have body aches or whatever. I usually do it after gym. So what they did is, it's the same brand with the Epsom salt, but then they also added melatonin and essential oils, specifically chamomile and lavender, which you guys know, very relaxing, will put you right to sleep and calming. And then melatonin is, I think it's a hormone, and then I think they basically synthesize it, because I've taken it orally as well. It usually helps you to like calm down and go to sleep. It's not a sleeping pill, because it occurs naturally in your body. I think they just synthesize it. I usually take it when I travel for jet lag to help me sleep, and it works perfectly, and I've not gotten addicted or anything like that, because it's not a sleeping pill, guys. So they have melatonin in this, so basically after a long night, long day, you can take this bath. It will calm you down, you know, just get your body relaxed and ready for sleep. So I'm excited to try this out. Though the unfortunate part is I'll probably only try this out next year, because I've got so much going on right now. But okay, I right now need to, I'm going into the city for work, and then I have to pick up 2 gifts for my helper, because I think she'll be here when I get back, and also one of our concierge, like the doorman, because he's really great. Like, we love him. He's our favorite person. I just saw him now actually when I went downstairs, so I need to get Christmas gifts for them. I already know what I'm gonna give them. I just need to literally get the wrappings and stuff, so I can give that to them today and get that out of the way. And I bought chocolate to add to those packages, just because I feel like it's always a nice touch. So I'll show you guys that later, hopefully. Right now though, it's 8:35. My helper comes in a little bit. I have one thing I could work on before I actually go to work while waiting, or I could fake clean. I don't know how many of you guys have a helper and you like fake clean just so that she doesn't think you're that much of a slob. I tend to do that sometimes. So I'm about to actually do that. I do have some laundry that I need to do, so let me go put that into the machine
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And
Hey you guys, so it's me again. Oh guys, I'm so tired. I'm like so exhausted, guys. Like, I haven't been on the go since this morning 9 o'clock after we spoke, and my helper lady came, and then I got ready. I went to work, came back, had a meeting, went back into Manhattan to the UN, came back now, and it's I think it's to 7. Hold on, it is now, oh wait, it's 25 to 7, and I'm busy trying to get this guest room ready, because all day long I've been busy. But at least our helper came and she cleaned, so everything is clean. I'm just like organizing. I had to move some of my stuff out of here, because story of my life, there's no space in this house. But I've taken my like mirror and makeup brushes. I have to go find a space for them in our bedroom until further notice. And then I need to sort out some of my makeup, particularly like the stuff that I use on a regular. I need to move that to the other bathroom. I mean, I technically don't have to, but I also don't want to be disturbing every single time. So maybe I'll just pick like 1 or 2 things, because I feel like I have everything that I need for now. And I mean, I'm not going out anytime soon. So anyway, I'm waiting for the duvet to dry. It's in the, I'm about to put it in the dryer. It wasn't dirty or anything, but I just like that new clean, that fabric softener smell that comes when you dry stuff. So I wanted to wash it a bit and get that done. Now I just need to sort out, I have the tissue box here. I just need to get a little basket or thing to put some of the stuff we're giving him. You know, here I need to print out a little thing with a Wi-Fi password. And then I also need to do the bathroom and put out fresh towels, fresh hand towels, new soap, shower gel, toothpaste, all of those things. I should also probably get started, because I keep telling myself that the sooner I finish, the more time I'll have to sort of relax and edit this vlog, because I know it's very late. So my idea is that I will edit as far as I can before going to the airport, because I also wanted to film the going to the airport part, and then I can just come add that, so it makes it super easy. So I should probably get up off my bum and start doing some work. Okay guys, I hope you can hear me, because I feel like I'm a little bit far, but I got this box. It's actually I think it's from Jo Malone. I think it was a Jo Malone perfume box, and I think I'm just gonna use this to pack everything in here. Hold on. So basically okay, actually I could bring this. Wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be putting in this box. These I'm going to put in the bathroom. It's like makeup remover, but it's basically just wet wipes. I use them as wet wipes because I don't have like alternatives, like if you want to wipe your face or whatever. So I'm going to put these in the bathroom. This is just some Dove body lotion that I'm also going to put in the bathroom. And then of course some toothpaste, and I do have a toothbrush too, as well as the razor that I bought. You know, these small things that people sometimes tend to forget. So these are like yeah, and then obviously these are antibacterial hand wipes, so like if you want to clean your hands and stuff like that. So over here I have the chocolate that I showed you guys earlier today. I have the razor. I have a bar of Dove soap, which I'm gonna put in the bathroom. I do have some face masks. I mean, we have some in the cupboard, but obviously maybe just for comfort's sake for the next couple of days while my friend gets acclimated and, you know, comfortable. You know, it's not your house, so one always takes a while to adjust. So I'm gonna keep a few in here. I do have some gloves if he wants gloves, extra tissues, and then I have some hand sanitizers, like this one is a used one, so I have to get another one. Hand sanitizers, and I do have like EOS lip balm. Though I should probably get the Blistex one, because I feel like if he's coming from, I mean, he's Namibian like me, like you need, but anyway, he can ask for it. So let me just quickly get a different hand sanitizer.
Can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
Okay guys, so let me show you. This is what I have so far. I brought this plant in here and I'm like, why did I never ever do this before? Don't mind, it's dying leaves. I don't know what was going on with these plants, but anyway, and so I brought this little box over here. It's very basic, but you know, just a few of the necessities, I would say. Some tissues. Over here he's just not gonna open because this is my stuff, and it's not going anywhere. Over on this side I brought this thing of flowers that I usually have on my console table. Am I zoomed in? Sorry guys, I'm so tired. This thing of flowers that I usually have on my console table. I thought I had a notebook in the house that I haven't used, like a notepad or whatever, but it's fine. I'll probably just come put a book here I think in case he wants to read or something. Put a book here. Yeah. Oopsie. I think I'll put this book here. It's Humans of New York, the very first one. I think it's a very interesting book, especially if you're coming to New York. I think it's a nice touch. I'm gonna put that there. I think that's all I'm gonna do in here. Of course, I'm gonna make the bed eventually and stuff like that. I'm quickly gonna move these things, and I do have an extra blanket out already, and I'm gonna move these things to the bathroom, but I will not show you that if you like, because it's the guys. So I'm done with the bathroom. I did forget to mention that I am adding a blister pack of Panados to this little pack, and then I'm gonna do the quickly gonna type out, I don't know where my laptop is, type out the Wi-Fi password thing and just put it up on a little, I have a photo frame that I haven't used, so I think I'll put it in that and I'll be done. I just need to move the rest of my stuff out, aka my handbag. Why don't I live in a bigger house there? Anyway, then I'm done. Can rest and chill till it's time to go to the airport. Hey guys, so we're on the air train, headed to the airport. Bob, I'm very hungry actually. So I'm just realizing now that this is the first time we're at the airport since a year ago. We haven't been at the airport in a year. Literally a year.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing. Please hold on.
Hey guys, so we just got to the terminal and we're about to go meet Tangeni or look for him and find him. He's actually been waiting for us for a minute, but these things happen when your train is delayed. Things happen.
From 1 a.m. until 5 a.m. daily. Please visit MTA.
Let me turn this around. Oh God, I'll come. I see a guy. Let me not say it's him. No, I don't think so. Oh, there he is. You see him? Right there behind the little thing. Tangeni, for all the 500 weeks he's staying, only brought one suitcase.
What's up, man?
Hi Tangeni.
How's it going?
Doesn't that defeat the purpose? Oh, okay. Where can we exit?
Yeah, through there.
Okay. Hey guys, so we are safely back at home and I'm about to now, I'm so behind with these vlogs now. Put this vlog up and go to bed. I'm so sorry that it's been late and it's probably a bit very basic and boring, but it's my last few days of work for this year, so like everything is just but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed, tell your friends and their friends to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. We're winding it down. We've got, after this we have 2 more episodes, so tomorrow's one and Thursday's one, and that's it for Christmas, 12 days of Christmas 2020. Wow. Okay, let me get this out, y'all.
On a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.